Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Acorn in Grand RP. Crafting an acorn involves a fascinating journey through the game's alchemy system, combining various elements to create new ones. This guide will walk you through each necessary step, ensuring you understand the entire process from start to finish. By the end, you will be well equipped to produce this valuable item efficiently, enhancing your gameplay experience and unlocking new opportunities within the world of Grand RP. Our journey begins with fundamental elements. First, combine water and air to form a cloud. Next, take two cloud elements and mix them to generate lightning. Then, merge two lightning elements to produce energy. Separately, combine water and earth to create a plant, and then use two plant elements to craft a tree. These initial steps lay the groundwork for more complex creations. Continuing our alchemical process, you will now create several intermediate elements. Start by combining fire and earth to produce lava. Then mix lava with water to form a stone. Next, combine stone and water to create sand. Merge sand with fire to yield glass. Finally, combine glass and sand to craft the crucial time element, bringing us closer to our goal. You are now ready to complete your acorn. Take the time element you just crafted and combine it with a tree element. This final, powerful combination will successfully yield one acorn. These crafted acorns are quite valuable within Grand RP, offering various uses for progression, completing tasks, or even trading with other players. Congratulations on mastering this intricate alchemy process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.